Now in this video, let's take a look at how you can check the call forwarding on the iPhone. Let's get started. So what you need to do is to open up the settings app like that. Ensure you are on the main section right there, and entirely at the bottom you can find the apps section, and this is a menu where all of your apps are sorted alphabetically and provide their own settings option. So you can go and scroll to find the P for phone, of course. So you can see it is right there. And when I get inside, you can see so many other options right there. And you can essentially find, for example, calls on other devices, which is kind of a way of a forwarding option, right? So you can see a bunch of different things in here. The option right now is that I cannot really see much, and that's because I do not have a SIM card installed in my phone currently. However, on a device where I do have it, I can notice that there is the ability to literally find the call forwarding. And you click in there, you can even find another option for the dual SIM. If you have multiple SIM cards, you'll be able to find it there. And essentially, you can see some options. You can enable it like that. There is like a one toggle to enable it, and then you can click on forward to and essentially pick a phone number or someone which you want to forward your calls to. So that's kind of how it works. It is part of that section, so you will be able to find it right there. And let me know below in the comments if you managed to find it on your device. Most definitely subscribe for more guides and videos similar to this one. So I just don't want you to miss anything important in the future. But thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the next videos.